Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.2, Problem 18. This is Section 3.2, Problem 18. It says round 106.214 to the nearest hundredth. So first, let's figure out which digit is in the hundredth position. So after the decimal, the next one is tenths. After that is hundredths. So for this problem, 106.214, the 1 is in the hundredth position. So I want to look over one position to the right, the 4. If that digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, which it is, we just remove the digits that come after the rounding position and we're done. If it were bigger than 4, we would bump it up 1, but that's not the case. So for this particular problem, this number rounded to the nearest hundredth is 106.21.